Hello to all. Welcome again on my channel Therichpost. First of all, I want to say you stay home and stay safe and happy Sunday. Let's start with Angular 9 and Bootstrap 4. In this video, I will show you how we can make simple business template with Angular 9 and Bootstrap 4. And friends, I must say this is very easy. And for the newcomers in Angular and Bootstrap 4 will get help a lot. And now on my screen you can see that the simple page with nothing data. First of all, I want to say you please subscribe my channel and please watch the video till the end for better understanding. And don't worry about the code. I will share the code snippet link inside the video description so you can have the code from there. So don't worry and please watch the video. On my screen you can see the three section, and this is the header, this is the body content, and this is the footer section. Now I will show you that template which I will implement into my Angular 9, and here you can see the basic simple business template page. Very simple friends. I am starting the things with simple and basics because then everyone, newcomer and also experience, can have it in easily manner. So let's start. Here is the template that I will embed it into my Angular 9. Please see this. And here is that HTML. Now I will show you my Angular 9 first header section. Also I have made two more components. First is header and second is footer. And this content will be in my header section and footer is the same, and that is in my html component.html file. So let's start with header section, and here is the simple html, and here is my header section, navigation and header. That's, and here is my header component.html file. Copy and paste. Now I will show you, I will also show my components. Here is header and footer, and here is footer. First I will go header.html file. I have already added the html. Save. You will see, look, header html worked fine. Now I will add the body content part, this part. Very simple friends. Go to the page content and just here and copy, and I will go my app.component.html file. Here it is, and you can see I have called app.header and app footer component here, and they will be my content section. Copy, paste and save. Now friends, see, great. Have you seen friends? Very simple. It took only 2 or 3 minutes. Look, very simple to make this. Now I will also show you the responsive section. Look friends, something I missing the bar icon. It's not showing. The navbar icon is not showing, friends. Like my example, let me check. Here icon is showing. In my icon is not showing. Let me check. I have added the correct. Let me add here the header and now we'll see. Great, friends. Navbar menu in responsive also works fine. Have you seen, friends? It took just 2 or 3 minutes to embed it. Look, now we will see on another responsive iPad also. Great, works fine. So friends, look, very simple. Now in my next video I will come with more templates, and after it I will also tell you how we can make admin LT theme into our Angular 9 Bootstrap section. So friends, if you like this video, then please click on like button. Also subscribe my channel. And if you have any kind of requirement, suggestions, or any kind of query, then you can comment on this video. And don't worry about the code. I will share the code snippets link as well. You can get the code and use that. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe.